Hi there, my name is Mike Sylvie, and I want to welcome you to my new YouTube channel. It's called Mosquito Bite Mikes. I hope you'll join our adventure as we take the path less traveled for some fun, food, sun, sand, and water. The first episode is going to drop in a couple of weeks, and we hope you'll join up and be part of our crew. If that call to action was a little too subtle, then like it, share it, and be sure and hit that subscribe button. That would be great. We'll see you next time, and just remember, if it's going to happen, it's going to happen out there.